How to use Google Flow AI, which recently updated. First thing, you have to simply open up the Google. Now you need to simply search the Flow AI. So at the top you will find the official Google Labs. So at the top you will find the official Google Labs website. Here you can use the Flow AI. So the Flow AI is a AI creative studio. You can create a lot of things like images, videos and stories, and this is the most popular Google AI, which basically provided by the Google. Right now at the top you need to simply go to the Flow AI website, and here now you need to simply tap on first create with Flow. So make sure you log in your Google account here, and now here on the flow.google. So now I can easily create a new project. So I want to just tap on new project. Then you need to simply first process the prompt. So here I want to just write down a simple prompt. So here I have just write down a simple prompt. So now if I send it, so here I can easily generate the high quality images by using the Flow AI. So this is an official Google's Labs Flow AI. Here you can easily create videos and images with the process of some steps. So it is much more faster, and I want to just use here my projects to create the high quality images. So as you notice that I have successfully generated high quality images with the help of this process. So I want to just select here 2K, and you can also select the 4K. So upscaling your images, download will be started, and now you notice that I have successfully generated the high quality images by using the Flow AI. So this is the latest feature of the Google, which allows you to use the Nano Banana model too. So with the help of this model you can easily create a lot of things. So in this way you can easily use the Google Flow AI by using this method. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.